David Williams is wanted. Swan club in ISL has confirmed interest in him, says by Marcus. And of course, is Mumbai City interested in him? Let us talk about that in this video. So hey guys, welcome back to ATZ TV. Thank you for stopping for another Mumbai City related content video. And today we are going to talk if David Williams is joining Mumbai City. Now Marcus has said in his Twitter that one ISL club is very interested in signing David Williams. So which is that club? I'm assuming it's Mumbai, and I'll tell you what will happen if he's coming to Mumbai. But you all can drop your suggestions who you all feel he's going to join in the comments down below. If you're new to the channel, please do hit the subscribe button. I upload almost daily content, and if you all enjoyed it, do drop a like too. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram too. Links in the description below. I'm more active on Instagram, so if you all have anything to talk with me for collab or anything, feel free to talk. Now we have some talks about David Williams. Let us talk about him. So he's a ATK Mohun Bagan player. He plays in the forward position. ISL proven player. Okay, he has played in ISL before. A very good quality player, I would like to say. And some club is interested in him. Now, if we assume Mumbai is the club that is interested in him, what is the situation? Okay, who is he going to replace? Of course, we know the 5+1 rule in ISL, which means they can be max to max 6 foreign players. One is AFC. So who is he going to be? Okay, now let us talk about, of course, if we get Williams, one foreign player has to go. Now it's not going to be Igor Katatau, of course, because 4 matches, 2 goals as a sub, impressive. It's not going to be Castillo Gabriel, center attacking midfielder. Again, he also proven talent. Just beautiful. He's controlling the midfield for us. Maybe not stat padding with goals and assists, but his passing is very crucial for us. Ahmed Jau, again, assist merchant for us. Very important during set pieces. Mutada Fall, the best defender for us. Okay, and I think in the league, 2 goals, 1 clean sheet, irreplaceable. Igor Angulo, another quality player. 4 matches, 4 goals. Not replaceable. Okay, even though he's 38 years old, I still don't believe that we can replace him this season with the quality performance he has been putting up. So who's left? Of course, Brad Inman. Now don't get me wrong, Brad Inman is a good player, but when you compare it with a ISL proven player like David Williams, I don't think Brad stands a chance. Now how will Mumbai City get David Williams from ATK Mohun Bagan, and how will they replace Brad Inman? Okay, I'll just discuss the scenario now in this video. So there are 2 possibilities. One is a player swap deal. If you all didn't know, last time in during the winter transfer itself, during the January transfer from which starts from 1st of Jan to 31st of Jan, Mumbai City did a signing, and that was we signed Jackie Chan from Jamshedpur for a swap deal of Farooq Chaudhary. Now, if you all knew this deal, it's very good. Same thing will happen when Mumbai and ATK Mohun Bagan. David Williams comes here, Brad Inman goes there. The question really matters here is that are ATK interested in Brad Inman? Okay, that is by far the big question. Is ATK actually willing to sell David Williams to Mumbai City, to the biggest rival club, and take Brad Inman back to their team? That's the biggest question for ATK Mohun Bagan at the moment. So according to me, to tell you all the truth, I don't feel this deal is by far going to happen. And I believe there is a small chance of it happening, but not that I feel confident enough. I'm not putting my money into this deal. The second possibility is a loan deal. Now, if I don't know a loan deal basically says that a particular player, now in this case, of course, David Williams, can join Mumbai City till the end of the season, and after the season end, he must return back to ATK Mohun Bagan. Okay, so this is also a possible way, but in the end we'll have to somehow not get rid is actually harsh, but we'll have to offload Brad Inman. Now there are 2 ways of offloading Brad Inman, actually 3 ways. Okay, there are 3 possible ways. One is by selling him for some cash amount. Okay, if any club is interested to buy him, so if we do a sale, it's a good thing. The second possible way is by sending him on loan too. We can send him to loan on another club. Okay, it may be Northeast United. We can send him on loan to that club. That's also a possibility. And the third way is by releasing him from his contract, which is basically tearing up his contract and saying mutual understanding, and like, yes, you no longer play in this club. But the thing of that is that you have to pay quite a sum to tear up the contract, and I don't want Mumbai to spend money on that, plus signing David Williams. It is kind of a huge issue, and Mumbai will have to spend more, and it won't be that economical. So in the most realistic situation, as a Mumbai City fan, you all must hope that it's a loan deal. Either a swap deal is one of the best things Mumbai City fans can assume to happen, in which David Williams comes to Mumbai City and Brad Inman joins ATK Mohun Bagan. Or the other situation is a loan deal. Let's assume Brad Inman goes on loan to Northeast United and David Williams comes to Mumbai City on loan. By this way, we are kind of at a neutral point. We have not spent much money apart from the agents work and all. So I think it's kind of fine deal if you do something like that. I believe either swap deal or loaning the players, loaning Brad Inman out and getting Williams on a loan will be good. Do we actually need David Williams? Well, I will ask you all to tell me that in the comments down below. Personally speaking, I don't think we need, considering the 3+1 rule for the ACL or the Asian Champions League won't be there, and we can field 4 players of any nationality irrespective if they are AFC or not. So I don't think Brad Inman's nationality at the moment matters. Should we sign David Williams? Still remains a good question to be asked though, because if you get a chance, Mumbai City should grab it by looking that we don't make ATK Mohun Bagan more happy in this deal. We don't want, the most biggest rival club to be happy with such a deal. We don't want to give them too much money. We don't want us to spend too much money, We should be little more better. And will David Williams fit our system? Well, that's up to Des Buckingham where he wants to use David Williams in what position, and I leave that to of course Des Buckingham to decide, okay, all of that, but it will be interesting to see how it pans down. Tell me your thoughts, guys, in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe. Mumbai City vs Jamshedpur FC preview will be uploaded soon, so stay tuned for that too. Till then, thank you guys for watching this video. Do like, share, subscribe. Tell me your thoughts about this transfer. Should David Williams join Mumbai City? Should he not join Mumbai City? Should Brad Inman leave Mumbai City? Should Brad Inman stay at Mumbai City? Tell me that in the comments down below. Till then, thank you once again for watching the video. Goodbye, take care, stay safe.